through how to add an email to your safe sender list in Gmail. This way, you make sure those important messages don't slip into spam, where they, might get lost. It's a simple process and we'll do it step by step. First, sign in to your Gmail account in any browser you like. Once you're in, head up to the search bar at the very top. Just to the right, you'll notice a little funnel icon or like a tiny triangle. Click that to open up more search options. Now you'll see a drop down with several fields. In the one that says From, type in the email address you want to mark as safe. This tells Gmail you want to keep an eye on messages from that sender specifically. You might also notice an option that says Has attachment. You can tick that box if you want, but honestly, it's optional. Doesn't affect adding the sender to your safe list. Next, go down and click on Create Filter. This is where the magic happens because now you can set rules for those emails. In the new window, select the option that says Never send it to spam. That's the key one. You're basically telling Gmail to trust the sender. You can also, if you like, mark it as important so these emails stand out in your inbox. Finally, just hit create filter again at the bottom. That locks it in, and from now on, emails from that sender go straight to your inbox, safe and sound. And that's it. You've added someone to your Gmail safe sender list. Super easy, right? You can always come back and edit or make more filters if your needs change. Thanks for watching, and yeah, happy emailing.